Go home happy with the 2020 Ford Fusion. Make every drive count in this sporty, sophisticated Fusion. This midsize four-door leverages the latest technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, while it soothes and spoils you with a tasteful, luxurious interior and silky smooth ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Practical and efficient meets sculpted and sensuous in this elegant Fusion. Why not treat yourself to a test drive? Our team takes pride in providing extraordinary customer service. We look forward to meeting you.